Oh. Now completed? Yes. Bhavani, completed? Manasa, AG Manasa. Yes, what happened? Yes. What happened? No response. Sabur?
Yes, sir.
What happened? No response from anyone? Shall we do next problem or can I explain again? You can expect this 2 marks, either maybe 10 marks, ratio problem, compulsory 1 question. Please tell me, do you have any doubts, any clarification? If you are not understanding.
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah.
No, but I need your feedback. If you are silent, how can I know? Okay. So current assets we got, stock we got, current liabilities we got. Okay. So this is another problem. A company has rupees 60,000 working capital. It has 50,000. Yes. Who is this? Ratnesh. Okay, this is another example. A company has rupees 60,000 working capital. It has 50,000 reserves and surplus and 20,000 overdraft. That is a given information. So find from the following details. Current ratio is given 2.5, quick ratio 1.5, and absolute liquid ratio 0. Find current assets, current liabilities, and stock. Quick assets, absolute liquid assets also. So how many we have to find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First you have to see this one. Is it possible on the basis of this information, calculation of this information? Shall we do or not? What are the information is given, that is enough or not?
Yes, sir, it's enough.
Okay. First, whatever may be given, in very important in the ratio analyzers, that is the current ratio is the very important, and working capital. These two are the very important to find out the various current liabilities and assets. First, you remember this is the two very important. Okay, so current ratio is given, quick ratio is given, absolute liquid ratio 0.5 is also given. Okay, first we go one by one. So what is the working capital? What is the working capital?
50,000, sir.
Working capital 60. Given information, see this one. Unable to see or what happened? Sabur, Manasa.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir. Continue, sir.
So why you are not following me? Yes, working capital 60,000. Next, what is the current ratio?
2.5 by 1.
Remember, do one thing just to solve. I will check it. I want answer from you. I want current assets, current liabilities, stock. Just to tell me. I wanted to know current assets, current liabilities, and stock. Anyone can do and tell me. Yes, Sabur, tell me. Manasa, anyone can try. I wanted answer. What are the current assets, current liabilities? On the basis of this information.
Sir, current assets are 40,000, sir.
Wrong. Correct?
Sorry, sir. Current liabilities is 40,000.
I think wrong. I think 90,000. Sabur, what are the current assets?
So 40,000.
40, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 60,000 divided by 1.5.
Sir, current assets is 1 lakh and current liabilities is 40,000, sir.
Right. Correct. So, working capital is equal to, that is 2.5 minus 1. So, 3,000 is equal to 1.5 x. So, x is equal to 60,000 divided by 1.5. 60,000 divided by 1.5. So, 40. Current assets equal to 2.5 into 40,000 is equal.
One lakh.
1 lakh, na? Five star.
Sir, stock is 40,000.
40,000. What's about others? In that amount.
Yes, sir.
In that amount.
Sir, and quick assets. So, quick assets is 60,000.
Quick assets. Stock, how much you got?
40,000, sir.
Just a moment. Aduma. Yes, what is the stock? What is the stock amount?
So stock is 40,000.
Okay, before that we'll do that. That is a ratio is equal to, what is the formula?
Minus stock divided by current liabilities.
Current assets minus stock divided by current liabilities. Here we know current assets. What is the current assets? 1 lakh minus stock divided by current liabilities 40,000. Before that, what is the quick ratio is given? 1.5 is equal. So 1.5 into 40,000 is equal to 1 lakh
That's good.
1 lakh minus stock. So 1.5 into 40,000, how much?
60,000.
60,000. So 60,000 is equal to 1 lakh minus stock. Okay, so stock is equal to 40,000. Now, what is that? Current liabilities you know, and current assets you know, and stock you know. Quick asset.
So yeah.
Quick asset. Nothing but quick ratio. Quick ratio is equal to, that is the current assets minus stock. Otherwise simple. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock. Simple. So current assets 1 lakh minus 40,000 is equal to 60,000. Understood? This is a very simple.
Yes.
Quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock.
Sir, you wrote 10,000, sir. It's 1 lakh minus 40,000.
This is the problem. Okay. Now, absolute, last one, absolute liquid assets. Absolute liquid asset ratio is equal to absolute liquid assets divided by current liabilities. So absolute liquid ratio, it is given. What is the value? 0.5. 0.5 is equal to absolute liquid assets divided by what are the current liabilities? 0.5 into
40,000.
40,000 is equal to absolute liquid assets. 20,000 equal to yes. Did you write?
Yes.
No, why no response from others? Ashish, are you there? Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shivateja? 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'll give one problem. Please solve this one. You can expect one question compulsory, either may be short, either may be 10 marks question. If the more calculation like finding of the current assets, current liabilities, stock, etc., more items are finding, you can expect these questions in 10 marks. Otherwise, 2 marks, one question is compulsory. I'll give from the following question, find current assets, current liabilities, stock. Current ratio is 3.5. Current liabilities ratio is 1.5. Liquid ratio current assets, current liabilities, stock, and absolute liquid assets. Come on, I want answer. So there is a one item is missing. What is that?
Working capital.
Working capital.
Working capital. Remember, if there is no working capital, this problem is not at all possible. Working capital information is the main sources for the finding of the current assets as well as the current liabilities. So one item is missing. That is the working capital is 80,000. Come on, fast. I want current assets, current liabilities.
So current assets is 1,12,000 and current liabilities is 32,000.
8,000, 3.5 minus 1, 2.5. So 80,000 divided by 2.5. So how much current assets?
1,12,000 is current assets and current liabilities is 32,000, sir.
32,000 current liability is correct. And this is 3.5. Yes, 1,12,000 is the current assets, correct. Yes. See, in the examination, if you write direct answer, I will not give marks. Please remember, you have to write formula, same what I wrote like this. This is you can do it. There is no any statement, there is no any tables. It is a step by step, like it is a statement. So this value must be there. Then only you will get marks. Otherwise, I will not give marks. If you write direct answer, so there is no question of the giving marks. Please note. You have to show step by step.
So stock is 64,000, so
Stock is 64,000, correct? Sabu?
The stock is 64,000, sir.
Okay, what's about absolute liquid assets?
Yeah, 40,000.
sir, it's 40,000.
40,000. Is it correct? Sabu?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Ashish, what's about your answer? Ashish. Vaishnavi, you got answer? Vaishnavi. Arshita. Liquid
Yes,
soil.
sir.
Arshita, what's about your answer?
Sir, sir, I got the same answers. I told the answers first.
No response from the Ashish. Manasa. B. Manasa. Ramakrishna. Aravind Ramakrishna. What you are doing, all of you? Just simply Ashish, okay. Shravya. Shravya. Sri Chandana, are you there? Sri Chandana. No response. Okay. Can I give one more problem? Shall we do one more problem? Sabur?
Yes, sir.
Or shall we stop today?
So we'll stop. So
Can we leave, sir?
Yes, tell me, Sabur.
Can we leave, sir?
Okay, just a moment. I didn't download alternatives.